We just bought some electric bikes. What a great way to get around the campground and meet a few new friends. These bikes are lighter and more compact, weighing in at 46 pounds. This bike's single-speed functionality is perfect for riders on the go looking for a simple transportation solution. Ride anywhere, anytime. Let's get started with the video. Look what came today. One of our electric bikes. That's the box it came in. We haven't got all the accessories yet that are supposed to come with it, I don't think. But I guess we'll find out. Looks like it's the black one. So I gotta tell you a little story about this box. If you see the box, you see it looks like a TV set with a bike in the middle. Well, they started doing that to see if they could, if people would handle it better, thinking it was a TV. This hasn't lit up yet, has it either?
Maybe it needs charged.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let me go right over it.
Okay. Okay, let me try it.
Okay.
And you can film.
Got more. I think we need to get him out on a trail and practice with him. We don't have a helmet on. I think a trail would be a good place to start. Get used to all the controls, how everything works. I think we are ready to go. Oh, what happened to him? I don't see him. Here he comes. Come here, girls. What do you think? I know it is. The back tire looks a little low.
Okay, we got Brogan on camera now. He's going for the bike, putting his helmet on. We got these electric bikes. He's gearing up. Notice his shoes matches his helmet. Red shoes, red helmet.
He's very color coordinated.
He's off.
And he's a Jayhawk fan. Kind of.
What do you mean kind of?
Kind of. Away he goes.
Already. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look how cool.